Welcome to the Goldschmidt2018 Abstract Preparation tutorial. To prepare your abstract, go to the homepage of the Goldschmidt2018 website and click on the Abstracts icon. Once you are on the Abstracts page, follow the link to the instructions and read them carefully to ensure that your abstract will meet the requirements of the conference. Now, download the abstract template by clicking the icon. In the title box, type or paste in the title and ensure it is given the style Abstract Title. In the author box, type or paste in the name of the authors. The authors in our example work are at different institutions, so we give them separate superscripted numbers. J.A. Dashwood is the corresponding author, so we mark him with an asterisk and remove any excess numbers. Type or paste the author's contact details into the address boxes, making sure that the numbers match those in the author list above. Remove any excess address boxes. Now type or paste the text of your abstract into the template. The section heading should be given the style section heading. And the main text given the style body text. Insert any figures at this stage. Finally, ensure the references are correctly styled, and that journal titles are in italics, and the volume numbers in bold. This completes the Goldschmidt 2018 Abstract Preparation tutorial.